Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you guys see the title, we're going to be doing a full unboxing and review of the Fab Fit Fun Spring 2021 box. Go through all of the items in here, what I chose, what I didn't, is it worth it, and all of that. I just realized I still do have the boxes behind me from the giveaway that I put up a few days ago. So I'm going to link that video up above. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I am posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Fab Fit Fun unboxing with me, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to have the box off to the side because you guys know it is absolutely massive and trying to hold it up on camera is going to be difficult. So the first thing I have is I guess it's a theme card, but it is, it's a coupon for 15% off a FabFitFun box for a new customer. I'm going to pop that up on the screen and whoever's the first person to go on and use it is going to save $15 off your first FabFitFun. Obviously I already have it so I can't use it. But yeah, whoever wants to use that, go ahead. If not, there is a link down below. It is not an affiliate link, but it is my referral link. So that's in the bio if you haven't signed up yet. There's also some coupons, some stickers, and as always, the monthly little catalog talking about all of the stuff inside. All right, so the first item out of the box, they have it as 1C. This is the Short Stories Indoor LED Planter, retails for $60. And if you live in the US, you also received the True Leaf Market Italian Large Leaf Basil Seeds, which I did. And I'm going to insert some B-roll footage right now because I did already set this up yesterday. Super easy to set up. The only thing I think could have been easier is you'll notice the little reservoir of dirt. It did say to follow the seed instructions, which just said, like, you want to have 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch on top of your seed. And I did that, but it probably would have been helpful to have like a ideal fill line in the basin. Other than that, no complaints. Again, I've only had it now set up for about a day, so I'll have to keep you posted. And make sure you are following me over on Instagram. If you want to follow along on my basil journey, I will definitely be posting all about my new basil. I do have a little bit of an herb garden out on my balcony, but I think it'd be really cool to also have basil in the kitchen because, I mean, it's bright, it's vibrant, it's floral, it smells nice, it's beautiful. But don't let your basil go to seed because then you won't have basil anymore. All right, next item out of the box. Oh, that was a choice item, for the record. The next item out of the box is from Billion Dollar Brushes. It is the Pro Brush Essentials Kit. They are vegan and they are charcoal-infused bristles. This set has every brush you'll need to perfect your makeup routine. 6-piece Bro brush set retails for $62. Now, I did choose this as well. However, I chose it so that I can throw it in a giveaway because you guys know I have more brushes than I know what to do with. And I actually have used the Billion Dollar brushes before. We got a double-ended one in a BoxyCharm, I want to say 7, maybe 8 months ago. It was a contour brush and concealer brush. I think the brushes were really high quality, but you guys know I have, so many brushes. So I'm going to be putting this in an upcoming giveaway. The next item is from the brand Saie, S-A-I-E. It is a 3-pack of reusable beauty rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes for reusable cotton rounds. Retail for $15. Now, I have about, I want to say like 30 of these. I recently got them in a Look Fantastic box where I got another 3-pack of these and I threw those in a giveaway. I'm going to do the same with these just because I have so many and I don't need that many. It's a little excessive at this point because I do laundry like once a week, twice a week, give or take. And I have more than I need in a week, so I always have on backup. So I'm going to throw them in a giveaway, and if I don't end up giving them away by the time any of my old ones are no longer looking nice and good anymore, maybe I'll replace them, but for now, definitely going in a giveaway. Next, we have the Suns Out Pouts Out. These are lip masks. Kiss your dry lips goodbye. Botanical extracts deeply hydrate and condition the lips for a smoother pout in minutes. Retails for $16. I just got more of these from Soon Skincare. This is another thing that I'm going to toss into the giveaway pile just because I have so many and I honestly don't use them nearly as often as I should. So I'd rather one of you guys get better use out of it. I did not choose those. Those were an item that were selected for me. Next, from Earth Harbor, this is the Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. Retails for $38. This is an oil featuring spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. Blue tansy is an amazing ingredient. I have actually used this before. I selected this because I did really enjoy it when I got it, and I have long since finished it. But I got this in a Bella Skin box. I know you guys know I used to unbox them on my channel. They actually recently shut down their subscription service. I know COVID's been hard on a lot of businesses, so my best wishes to them. But as of right now, they have discontinued their services, so I will no longer be unboxing the Bella Skin box on my channel, but I do eagerly await whenever they do hopefully come back, because if they do, I will be happy to continue unboxing them. But they were the ones who introduced me to this product in the first place, so I'll be happy to use it again. Next, from Pur Cosmetics, this is the Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Now, this is a antioxidant-rich oil to add radiant shimmer to your face and body. Retails for $28. Now, I do want to show you guys a couple things. So first, it basically just looks like glowy in an oil. The reason products like this are super helpful is because oils are nice and nutritious, nutrient-dense for your skin, hydrating as well, but a dry oil doesn't leave that greasy shine to the skin. So a lot of people who have more oily skin, myself included, I don't love an oil, but a dry oil I will use. However, I have gotten so many of these in the past, and I open them, and then I never use them, and I end up giving them to friends and family. So I'm just going to save the time and drop this right in a giveaway. I did pick this, but this is one of those items I picked exclusively for a giveaway. I personally don't use products like this. I've tried the Coco Cabana ones from Sol de Janeiro. I have used ones from Iconic London. I have made my own, where you could take any highlighter and an oil and really rub it together. That would work really well, but for me personally, not a product I typically use. Next, from Gloss Modern, this is the Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Now, this was another item that I picked because you guys know I'm super into my hair right now. As you guys can see, like, this is just leave-in conditioner, a little curl cream, and a diffuser. That's it. I don't curl my hair. I allow my hair to curl itself. So I'm really into deeply hydrating products. Now, this is an antioxidant-rich shea butter to restore softness and shine to your locks. Retails for $55. Looking in the ingredients, it does have artificial fragrance. It does have alcohol in it. But I am going to do a deep dive on the ingredients now that I have it in here. You guys look out in an upcoming favorites video, not the one coming later this week, the one that comes probably next month, because I'm going to be honest, I won't know if I like it by then until probably a month from now, and I'll give it a chance and possibly use it then. But I do want to take the time to do a deep dive of the ingredients before I put it on my hair, because the last thing I want to do is ruin my curl pattern. I have now spent months getting it to the point where I am happy with the way that it curls. Like, I have these cute little ringlets and I'm loving them, so I really don't want to throw anything on that's going to hurt it. Not that this will, but I do want to be safe before I throw it in my hair. And the last item comes from Lark and Ives. This is the $30 retail value hair scarf bundle. Super soft scarves can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun, or you can tie them onto your handbag as an accessory. Now, I got these because I mean, come on, I'm really into my hair right now, so why not get hair accessories as I make a curl fall? Now, feeling them, they are 100% polyester, but they are very soft. They are also really quite cute, so I don't know how I'm going to use these or what I'm going to use them for, but I do think they're really cute, so be on the lookout for that. You guys know I don't really do a lot with my hair other than, like, this, so I will definitely be experimenting, and I'll let you guys know what I end up doing, or I guess you guys will just see for yourself. Now, this box is well over, oh, we got to curl down. Now, this box is well over a $350 to $400 retail value. Obviously, there are a few items here that are going right into a giveaway, but this is not sent to me. This is not sponsored. I'm not even in partnership with FabFitFun. I pay for this box and unbox it on my own because I am interested in it. And when I think about it's $50 if you do it every single month, it's quarterly. It is $50 if you do it seasonally, but I pay for the all-in-one, so it's $180 for the whole year. So that comes out to a little bit less than the $50 a month. So for, like, let's call it $45 a month. Do I think I got my money's worth out of this box? I am going to say yes, because there's more product in here that I like than I didn't, and because it's so choice-driven, it's super customizable, definitely the most customizable box I get. The one thing I will say, looking at this, is I think I liked the winter box a little bit more. The cute cutting boards, the comfy robe, they're just a little bit more my vibe of the things that I enjoy. However, that being said, I am so excited for the LE planter. I've mentioned this on my channel before. Brandon and I met in culinary school, chefs by trade, before I went into the beauty industry, so I love having fresh basil around to cook with, and I'm really excited to try a lot of the other products. So let me know your thoughts down below. What are you the most excited for? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.